In this scenario, I'm helping a first-year graduate student who wants to do research on pandemics and the effect upon people so that they maybe are more anxious. I recommend the SAGE research methods as a wonderful resource. After a brief interview, I determined that this would help her to learn what she needs to do to develop her research design. I suggest clicking Browse at the top of the screen and then selecting Health. This opens up a page of free resources that you can read to learn all about research design, but I'm wanting to narrow it down, so I recommend selecting epidemiology. And again, there's a list of resources that you can read. Let's begin. Encyclopedia of Epidemiology is a good place. Click Entries A through Z. And you see the long list here on your screen of various issues related to public health, including anxiety disorders. And so we can read and study about anxiety disorders and risk factors. Another way to proceed with the search is to go back to the home page and click Research Tools. And this really taps the capabilities of this site, where you can select any of these options. Let's go ahead and go to Project Planner, where you see a list of links on the left side that open up more information related to research. Let's click on Research Design and look at this menu of all of these different options related to research design, including videos that are excellent. Thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation.